Welcome to AlertOps video tutorial series. In this video we will be seeing the configuration of inbound API integrations, how you can use them, and how they can enable you to build out your ideal incident response process. Let's get started. Navigate to the Advanced Settings tab to configure the API integration in more detail. The Advanced Settings tab in your inbound API integration gives you a more granular level of control over the alerts that you receive. Let's see how we can use the URL mapping and advanced mapping options to configure an API integration. You can use the URL mapping section to access the underlying field mapping for the integration. There is quite a bit of flexibility here. AlertOps typically supports content received as JSON, form URL, or form data. At a minimum, you must configure the source name, source ID, status field, and status control actions to open, close and update alerts. Source name, source ID. Combined together, these form a unique identifier for the alert. Based on the identifier, AlertOps can combine multiple alerts coming from the same source. This attributes to AlertOps deduplication and alert aggregation capabilities. The source status field is used to determine when to open or close the alert. Based on the source status field, configure what values would either open, close or update an alert. AlertOps allows to create rich custom messages that link back to the incident source, and this can be done using a combination of fields that you receive in the alert. You can configure the subject data to have a combination of static text and data. This is the subject sent out in the email subject. The long message text and short message text can be configured to have a combination of static text and data as well, and used in the body of common communication channels, VoIP/email/SMS. The API URL mapping can be tested as well with sample data to determine correctness. Let's take a quick look at the Advanced Mapping section. AlertOps Advanced Mapping can help enforce a more specific level of control by pre-assigning either recipient users, recipient groups, or by using templated topics. You can also include an attachment in the form of a URL in a data field. The other fields included are part of AlertOps custom fields. Custom field attributes are user-defined fields and can be populated with values coming from the alert. This is useful when you build flows to connect alerts to other systems, such as creating a help desk ticket/issue from a monitoring alert. Thank you for taking a look at the configuration of inbound API integrations. For more videos, please check out our knowledge base or YouTube.